Build Pro and AARRMA F1 stock ADS 120 miles per hour or 193 kph. Simple mods easily pass 200. New body, carbon kit, stronger motor, and ESC can push it past gear he picked. Not speed run. Max 6G to 200 amp ESC 4990-1650 kV motor K 7867 servo AARRMA carbon fiber kit full car parts AARRMA lights OI diff case with 20T pinion plus JPM cup. Here's AARRMA EX. Lao Gao will swap the diff housing. The stock case is metal, but its precision and dynamic balance lag ORI. OEM is 2-piece. ORI is 1-piece, 5-axis machine, and drops the cross-pin grub screw for better balance. Advantage: better dynamic balance than stock. The factory 2-piece case uses 4 screws. Uneven weight or torque causes high speed wobble. That's why Lao Gao chose an ORI case. Precision, outdrive, and diff case meet on shaft. ORI told Lao Gao the hole stays within 1 to 200 millimeter. Factory toolkit, center spool, and a 32-tooth pinion. Swap both gear sets to hit 193 kph only for a run. Then it overheats. Included body posts can later swap to speed run. Streamline shells. You get shock spacers, cross wrench, 2 AARRMA screwdrivers, batteries, decals, and the manual keep it. Diff exploded diagrams help you. Stock radio feels fast with throttle trigger. One of the better RTRDX3s included, but cheap. A plastic shell, only workable. Old AARRMA F1 required painting. V2 adds electronics, servo, radio, and pre-painted. F1 V2 strengthens chassis and swaps diffs to EXP cases, changing pin from 2.25 to 2.5, making it stronger. S665 servo, 8S168 ESC, stock 4000. AARRMA F1 has many mods for speed or style. Want McLaren or Ferrari bodies? Fit one. Its ride height is low, about a finger, so shells sit lower and look great. Swap the aluminum chassis for carbon fiber. Replace the nylon splitter and add a carbon plate at the front arms to cut drag and curb wheelies. Connect the voltage feedback LED to the ESC to read battery voltage and prevent over-discharge. The plug has a black and white wire. Cut the black, keep the white. Cut the pin, strip the LED, solder it to the ESC plug, plug in the battery, and your radio reads voltage anytime. Don't jam telemetry pins into the balance port. One wrong slot can short, instantly melt the LED, burn the receiver, and fry the balance connector. carbon fiber center brace, front arm guards, upper deck, center diff cover, steering set, front and rear shock towers and butterflies, side skirts, front splitter, nice weave, and a carbon fiber rear wing tube. Snap on the stock ring. This AARRMA F1 with carbon fiber parts sheds weight and looks slick. The end goes blacked out, replacing red 6061 aluminum plates and mounts. Check front hex and hub. No play, but rear hex has about 1 millimeter. Add 8 by 10 by 0.3 shims, one at a time, until snug and smooth for high speed, more stability. After adjustment, the hub runs smooth with no play. Thoroughly dry the clean diff gears. Scrape out grease, then rebuild and refill with diff oil. Assemble gears one by one. Tune mesh including outdrives. Reseal if needed. Front 20,000. Rear 10,000. Center 5 million. This center diff fluid is 5 million weight. It's already like jelly inside. Light mods only. Added lights and carbon fiber pieces. Not for record runs or top speed. Just to look cool. We bumped power, retuned the chassis, and the handle button controls the lights. That's the headlight effect. Next, we do alignment so it tracks straight and reduces tire wear. Let's test this AARRMA F1 outdoors for straight line runs and top speed. Lao Gao added a GPS module. No center spool. It runs a center diff. Gearing is 20-tooth pinion and 50-tooth spur. Near 100. We measure its 8S max. Lights on. Line up. Brake at 100% to stop if it exits radio range.
Track mode engaged.
Log check. Current speed 142 kilometers per hour. From here to that point ahead, the stretch was probably too short. So 142 isn't the real top speed. And Lao Gao won't test higher. Even so, with just a 20-tooth pinion and a 50-tooth center diff, it reaches this easily an everyday pace. Let's see its drift posture. Now, switch the ESC to daily settings. BEC 7.4 volts. Brake 100%. Drag brake 0. For top speed runs, set drag brake to 100 in case the radio drops. Initial throttle 1.
Turbo timing 12 degrees. Turbo delay instant. Save. Can't keep playing. Bro, these full hot milk tires will wear out fast now.